Hey everyone, so this is Edmodo. It is a learning management system, and basically that means it's an online environment that you can share with your students and your parents, and it's just a great way to keep things organized. Um, so I'm going to log in case anybody's interested in using Edmodo. It is free. You want to, when you create your login, it'll ask you like what school you're from, and so you want to connect with Waco IC and Crestview. Or whatever school you're from, you want to connect to it so you can collaborate with other people. So I've separated my classes into two separate groups because I do see two groups a week, and so that's just a good way to keep it all organized. If I click on one of the groups, it'll give me three things. So members, you'll be able to see all of your students, and you can go to their Edmodo and see what they're doing or if they've done their assignments. It's really easy to add students. All you have to do is send them this class code, and from then on, they'll be able to access it. Making a post, super simple. Type in your note, um, and then you could also attach a file, a link, an image from your library, and you can even post it at a certain time. Assignments, you can upload an assignment using here. You can share links if you want them to watch a video. In my case, for my class, when I flip it, their homework is basically just watching several videos. And so I would just post a link here to my YouTube channel so that they could view it. So quizzes, you can create a quiz, see how they can do, polls. If you guys read a certain book and you want to know like who's their favorite character, this would be a great way to use that really quick informal assessment. Okay, so folders, super easy. This is a great way for you to divide for your kids to be able to access everything. Um, so I will be managing mine by doing different units. And so if they tell me, oh, I'm struggling with uh, drama or fairy tales, then they could go back into those units. I could tell them, oh, go back to unit 5 and go look at the video or go look at all the information that's been in there, and they can go back and review it. So separating it into units, or maybe you could even do months of the year. It's just whatever you want. But this is why Edmodo is a great LMS tool, because it does sort everything. It makes it easy for the kids to find. If you're using something like Google Chrome, not Google Chrome, Google Classroom, it does make it hard to sort. It makes it hard for them to go find the information. So the only way I can explain that to you is like if you have your Facebook, right, and you shared something like 2 weeks ago, and you're like, man, where is that, right? So then you have to like search your timeline and go down, down, down. It takes forever, and sometimes it'll go back up to the top. It's just annoying, right? So the best thing is to sort your files into folders so that your kids are able to access it. Okay, so up at the top, you can go home. You can see what assignments that are due or what you've assigned, people's progress. You can go to each class and see what they've earned. They can earn badges, messages. This is pretty crucial because this is a great way to talk with your students one-on-one. They can message you. You can talk about things that are going on with certain topics, certain things that they're struggling with, and then you can also talk to parents on here. And this is where you would see like notifications. If somebody replies to your post, somebody likes your post, they can do that, and you can be able to see all their notifications. You can always go back and change your settings, change your profile picture, my PLC. Like this is if you are collaborating with different grade levels or different teachers, you can add people on here. So anyway, this is such a great LMS tool to use. It is free. Let me say that again. It is free, so you want to use it. if you are interested, it's super easy to join. And if you need any help, just shoot me an email. All right. Thanks, guys.